Our brains are actually about 50 to 60% fat, and a big chunk of that is omega-3s. In fact, omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that plays a crucial role in our overall health, particularly in the brain's gray matter where most of our brain activities happen. The three main types of omega-3s are 1. Alpha-linolenic acid. ALA is mainly found in plant sources like flax seeds and walnuts. 2. Eicosapentaenoic acid. EPA commonly sourced from fish and other marine life. 3. Docosahexaenoic acid. Also primarily derived from fish, DHA is particularly significant for brain health. While ALA is more accessible in a plant-based diet, EPA and DHA can be harder to obtain, especially for those who do not consume fish. For this reason, algae-based supplements have become popular alternatives for vegans and vegetarians. Adults should aim for about 3 grams of omega-3 per day. You can get this from your diet or taking dietary supplements. Just make sure that if you're using supplements, you're not getting more than 2 grams from them alone. The positive effects of omega-3 fatty acids on cognitive function can be attributed to several key mechanisms. Number 1. Enhancing cell membranes. DHA is particularly adept at integrating into the membranes of brain cells. This incorporation enhances the fluidity and flexibility of these membranes, which is essential for the optimal functioning of proteins embedded within them. These proteins, including neurotransmitter receptors, play a vital role in how neurons communicate with one another. Number 2. Modulating lipid rafts. Omega-3s also influence the structure of lipid rafts, specialized areas within cell membranes that organize signaling molecules. By modifying these lipid rafts, omega-3 fatty acids can improve the efficiency of cellular communication, which is crucial for effective brain function. Number 3. Producing neuroprotective compounds. Certain omega-3s serve as precursors to neuroprotectin D, a molecule known for its protective effects on brain cells. Neuroprotectin D interacts with receptors on both neighboring cells and the cell that produced it, initiating a series of signaling events that can help reduce inflammation and promote cell survival. Multiple studies provide valuable insights into the cognitive effects of omega-3 supplementation on brain health and function. For example, some review articles have taken a closer look at the effects of omega-3 on our brains. You can find links to these articles in the description below. These studies found that while individual studies yielded varied results, the overall analysis indicated a small yet statistically significant improvement in executive functioning skills, essentially our ability to think critically and solve problems. When it comes to memory, the benefits of omega-3s are even more pronounced, showing a notable improvement in memory performance and recall formation across the studies analyzed. Omega-3 supplementation appears to help normalize or attenuate some of the changes that occur with brain aging, such as oxidative damage, mitochondrial impairment, and alterations in glucose energy metabolism and nerve inflammation. This may help protect against neurodegeneration in older adults. One particularly interesting finding was related to gender differences in cognitive benefits. Women showed improvements in episodic memory, which is the ability to recall specific events. Men, on the other hand, demonstrated enhancements in working memory, which involves holding and manipulating information. These results underscore the complexity of omega-3's effects on cognition and suggest that gender may influence the specific benefits experienced from supplementation. The form in which omega-3s are consumed can significantly impact their effectiveness. Research indicates that phospholipid-bound omega-3s may be more readily absorbed than utilized by the brain compared to triglyceride-bound forms. Omega-3 phospholipids are more efficient at crossing the blood-brain barrier. They can directly participate in essential brain functions, whereas many fish oil supplements may lack these forms due to processing methods. This highlights the need to consider the specific type of omega-3 supplement when aiming for cognitive health benefits. While the focus here has been on cognitive function, omega-3 fatty acids offer a wide range of health advantages. They support joint health. They contribute to cardiovascular health by lowering triglycerides and reducing the risk of heart disease. They play a role in maintaining eye health. They have anti-inflammatory properties. These diverse benefits illustrate the importance of omega-3 fatty acids in promoting overall health and wellness. Despite the promising evidence regarding omega-3s and cognitive function, several limitations should be noted. The observed effects are generally modest in scale. Many studies have focused on older adults, which may limit the applicability of findings to younger populations. Some cognitive areas, such as language skills and overall cognitive function, did not show significant improvements, possibly due to a lack of comprehensive studies. Individual responses to omega-3 supplementation can vary based on genetics, diet, and overall health. Future research could explore several avenues, including long-term studies to assess the cumulative effects of omega-3 supplementation over time, investigations into the most effective dosages and formulations for cognitive benefits, examination of how omega-3s interact with other nutrients or lifestyle factors to enhance cognitive function, further studies on gender-specific effects, and the underlying biological mechanisms and research on how omega-3s influence brain structure across different age groups. Also, to learn about top 10 causes of dementia which lead to a decline in cognitive abilities like memory, thinking, and reasoning skills to the point where it disrupts daily life, watch the next video.